Eicher presents an unparalleled trucking experience in the medium-duty truck industry. Eicher Pro 3015, the next generation truck with best-in-class fuel efficiency and superior uptime, delivering maximum lifetime profitability. The Eicher Pro 3015 is powered by the revolutionary E494 CRS engine, 4-valve 4-cylinder that delivers unparalleled fuel efficiency without compromising on power. Managed by Volvo Group's world-renowned engine management system EMS 3.0, which is used worldwide in Volvo Group products, that keeps monitoring engine parameters in real time to optimize torque and fuel consumption as per load demand. The Eicher Pro 3015's futuristic instrument cluster with LCD display helps in efficient fuel management by displaying detailed trip and fuel data on cluster. Eicher's fuel coaching is a comprehensive human-machine interface that uses intuitive icons to guide the driver towards achieving and consistently maintaining the best possible fuel efficiency. It tells the driver when to increase acceleration or shift to a lower gear to reach the sweet spot, or decrease acceleration and shift to a higher gear to achieve the perfect fuel efficiency. Once achieved, the driver can continue driving in the sweet spot consistently. The Eicher Pro 3015 offers the most comfortable driving experience in its class through a 6-way adjustable driver seat that ensures a fatigue-free ride by adjusting to driver posture. On long hauls, the automatic cruise control optimizes engine RPM without the accelerator, ensuring lower driver fatigue. When needed, the driver can manually adjust RPM by turning a dial. The Eicher Pro 3015's ultra-modern cabin has been built around the driver and is fully equipped for maximum driver efficiency. An innovative clutch footrest helps reduce driver fatigue by letting him rest his left foot when not using the clutch. Ergonomic heel pad and pedal positions helps the driver easily operate the accelerator and brakes without lifting his heel, ensuring maximum comfort for the co-driver and driver. The Eicher Pro 3015 comes with a wider sleeper bed that offers comfortable resting. The Eicher Pro 3015 requires lower maintenance with longer oil change intervals for the engine, gearbox and differential. It comes with a lubricated for life propeller shaft and superior parabolic spring suspensions for greater durability. These aggregates are protected with a unique 2-year warranty. The versatile Eicher Pro 3015 is ideal for applications such as courier, logistics, pharmaceuticals, white goods, poultry and industrial components. Built using advanced technology with state-of-the-art manufacturing, the Eicher Pro 3015 redefines trucking performance, maximizing your profits.